Hello everybody, it's me NMColor here. I've been saving up my gems and I got two free spins. So let's see what we could get. So hopefully I could get a lot of cool stuff. So I'm gonna be doing the chest opening and the 3 free spins. A cape. An engineer cape. I don't know what that's for. Well, we got one more spin. Please get something cool. Please get something cool. If it's 50, that's fine with me. Oh, 10. No, 5. It's fine with me. If we get 3 more free spins, I'm going to be so happy. If it's 50 again, okay. Because once I got 50. Okay, come on. We're going coins again? I'm going to be rich after this. I'm always hoping when I get gems, I get like 30 or 50 or 20 or at least 10. A free spin. That saves me up money. I always get it. 50! Oh, that's so good. Move up right here. It's gonna give me 5 gem. Right there. I didn't want that. I swear, if it was 50 more, I would have been so happy. 50 more coins, I would be so happy. Oh, 50 more oh, if it was 50 more gems, I would have been so happy. So happy, you don't even know how happy I would be. Two! Yes! Saving up gems. Okay, so it's giving me more gems so I can get more stuff. It's good. And more coins. Okay, that's good. So let's do this. Gems again? Come on. Again? You don't even know how much coins I got in this episode. Let's go for the shark. Actually, skin. What? Right there. Hopefully we get that shark thing. Our coins again? We got so much coins. Please be worth it. Oh, if it was 5 more, I would have been happy, but it's just giving us another chance. I don't want any skins. I've got so many. 5, okay, there. Free spin. Five gems again? It's giving me so much coins. If I landed 3 free spins, I'm gonna be happy. I'm telling you, I don't want skins. And I keep getting girl skins. Okay. Okay, I got 5. Okay, please be good. Please be. I'm closing my eyes. I'm literally closing my eyes. What do we get? We got coins! Coins! Bruh. I'm kinda mad that we didn't get. Bruh. We got so much coins. I'm saving up for that Peacekeeper. I need to get that. I need to get that Peacekeeper no matter what. I think the Peacekeeper is legendary or epic or rare. Definitely not uncommon or common. Because if it was common, I would have been... And then I would have got it really good then. I would have got it right away. Let's see what it is. Peacekeepers cost so much though. I could buy this if I wanted. Or this. Or even... the Peacekeeper. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got a free weapon. Okay, let's try to get enough coins. But I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.